Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Alexa's Garden. In this video I want to share you my plants. What I am planting this year, very unusual animals. These plants in my garden will grow for the first time. I have never grown them, so I suggest you start sowing these interesting animals with me. Are you ready? Let's go! 1. Calceolaria. Calceolaria is a small shoe-shaped flower, can be grown in a room. It is a popular indoor plant. The homeland of this flower is South America. This flower grows in Argentina, Chile, Colombia, and other countries. The family of these plants includes 217 species. They are very unusual animals. I will grow Calceolaria for the first time. The plant likes a moist and warm climate, very fast growing and highly decorative. If you live in a warm climate zone, you can grow this plant as a perennial. Ornamental Calceolaria bushes are about 8 to 12 inches tall. During flowering, the bush bears a large number of brightly colored, small, slipper-like flowers. Blooming begins in spring and lasts until the last warm days of fall. The plant likes cool weather and bright sunlight. Use a loose nutrition substrate for growing Calceolaria and avoid stagnant moisture. Calceolaria can be propagated by seedlings and seeds.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just sweet.
2. Heliotropum. This unusual plant is very similar to the sunflower because the inflorescences of these plants turn rows of flowers towards the sun. According to legend, Heliotropum is a water nymph who turned into a flower because she was betrayed by her favorite sun god, Helios. In southern Europe, heliotrope is cultivated as an ingredient for perfume. The Heliotropum flower is scented with clove and almond. I sow Heliotropum seeds at the end of February. The plant needs fertile, well-drained soil for good growth.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me
Heliotropum can be propagated by seeds and cuttings.
ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
In mild, warm climates, Heliotropum can be grown as a perennial.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
I live on winter hardened zone 5B, so I will grow this plant as an annual.
Oh, oh,
The Exacum of Persian violet. It is a tropical plant that is common in subtropical areas of Africa, Asia, Australia, and Oceania. It usually has white, purple, or blue flowers. It is an unpretentious annual that can be grown in the room. The best place to grow it is in a light and cool room. Exacum can also be grown in summer on a terrace or balcony in an alpenarium. I will sow the seeds of the plant in February. It is important to maintain an air temperature of 64 degrees Fahrenheit. The plant is 8 to 10 inches tall. That's all. Thanks for watching, subscribing and commenting. Don't forget to give a thumbs up below this video. See you soon!